Now let's talk about something very close to my heart. Doubles. Trinidad is super diverse, right? And the Indian influence especially shows up in the food. Doubles are one of the most beloved street foods on the island. And not just by me, like by everybody. Two soft pieces of fried dough that they call bara, filled with special like spiced chickpea kind of sauce, which is called chana, topped with pepper sauce, chutneys, cucumber, whatever you like. Very delicious. What them eat like breakfast, lunch, dinner, after party, whatever. You can eat doubles like any time of the day. You'll usually find doubles being sold out of the back of a white van or like roadside stand, something like that. We went to a white van near Omera Road. As we pulled up now, a woman told me like, yeah man, this doubles right here is the best in Trinidad. And that when she was pregnant, this is the only doubles that was satisfying her pregnancy cravings.
I was pregnant. I used to urge for this doubles. I used to come home and go to the
Yeah.
Because I'm not home and I'm coming here just to get the doubles. But
And you're still coming?
Trinidad, and tasting doubles all over. He's the best I eat.
Best doubles man,
Yeah.
alright. This is the doubles hall and aloo pie of varying spices, peppers, from none to slight to medium. Unfortunately, they were out of cucumber that day, so it was still good, but I just couldn't leave without trying, you know, like another spot. So we headed to Omera Road, which has multiple double vans like lined up. We chose the one that was run by all women, and those women delivered not birth, but happiness. Fire though, right? Like before flying back to New York, I actually went back with my mother-in-law, brought a whole container and had them fill it with chana, sauce and all that, wrap up some bara so I could take it on the plane with me. It was a decision of which I'm still reaping the benefits and rewards. It was the best decision I've made in 2025 thus far. Now here's the thing, right? Trinis have this graceful, beautiful way of eating doubles. They just pinch off a little piece of the bara, pick up the chana, like no mess at all, no stress, easy. Me, on the other hand, when I try that, it looks like the Red Wedding, like from Game of Thrones, but instead of blood and death, it's like chickpea sauce and embarrassment. Most of the embarrassment comes from my wife's face looking at me. Can't believe I'm in public with you and you're doing this. So now I just eat it like a taco. I'm sorry. Don't at me, Trinidad. Don't come for me. I love your culture, but I also put ketchup on my pastels. The pastels, the reggae shirt, I'm just like really pushing it today. Anyway, hit the like button if you enjoyed this and subscribe if you want more travel content and experiences and stuff like that. And just, you know, all around general good vibes from around the world. If you want to support the work I do on this channel, check out the shop. We have art prints to deck out your space. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.